Hey guys, Ryan from Tremonti here. Today I would like to talk about the mobile menu that comes out of the box with the Divi theme. A lot of the sites are distinguishable as Divi sites because of the mobile theme look that comes out of the box and isn't very customizable. You'll notice that even among some of the best examples of websites using Divi, they all have that look for the mobile menu dropdown. So I think it is nice to customize it in a way that makes it look a little bit less out of the box. And in doing so, finding an alternative that isn't going to break the bank or involve a lot of coding. And that's what brought me to the mobile menu plugin. So once you install and activate the mobile menu plugin, you'll notice that you have new options here in your sidebar. And then if you go to the options screen, you'll have several different tabs. And this plugin is very configurable. It does have a premium option as well. But one of the best things about this is that it has the slide out effect that I love so much. So let's just showcase it here to start. So out of the box, it has that slide out effect that makes it very unique from your Divi theme. Now, there are some configurations that you'll probably want to make. For example, by default, you'll get two menus, left and right. You may want to choose just one to avoid clutter. You'll also want to make sure that the breakpoint is set accurately. So I kept it, the out of the box setting, I believe, is 1024. You'll want to set that probably to what the mobile menu breakpoint is for Divi, so that you're not getting the weird mishmash of secondary appearing still while you have the mobile menu for just a blip and then disappearing. And that's just because you have this set to the wrong number. So let's just put it at the right one, 980. You can see that we already have the left menu disabled. You can choose the display type. So we've selected slide out push content, but you can slide out over content as well. So you have two different slide over effects. And you can choose both the close and hamburger menu icons from a list of a few icons here. So I typically like to do a little bit rounder. And you can also select the drop-down if you have a sub-menu within the menu. So any type of drop-down effect will be showcased in the menu as well. So let's just save those changes and make sure that it's picking up the right breakpoint here. Yep, that's perfect. So now we have to shrink it a little bit more. All right, let's go to the header area. And you can choose a few different things here, including whether or not to make the mobile menu sticky. So you can see that as we scroll, the menu goes with us. Probably would be nice to have a logo just to make it look nice and clean. So let's do that. And you can set your logo height. I'm just guessing here now. May not look good. All right, save changes. You can choose the font family too. There's so many different configurations. Let's go to the right menu because we have left menu disabled. Now you can select which menu from your menus to choose from, or you can go into your WordPress menus area and select it here. Okay, and then let's just choose a different icon. I like something a little bit smaller. And save changes. Okay, and then you also have colors. So You can choose the overlay, which is the back, when you have the slide out, this color here. And you get to choose from the different icon and text and hover colors. So a lot of different configuration options at your fingertips. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, it looks a little weird because we haven't extended the header area out far enough. We have the logo, it's overlapping the rest of the page, so let's just go back into our header options. And we've got the logo height at 60, so let's make the header height at 80. And then the last thing I wanted to showcase was that you are able to just add CSS directly into the plugin in one of the fields here. So just added an example. And refresh. And there we go. This was the CSS. We just added a border. All right, this has been Ryan with Tremonti. Thanks for watching.